In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Koyfin Equity Analysis. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a focused view of the stocks you care about, choose the right metrics, and compare companies side by side with confidence. Start by opening My Watch Lists. This is your home base for tracking the names you follow, and it lets you organize a clean workspace for analysis. If you already have a watch list, open it. If not, you can work from a fresh list as you go. The goal is simply to bring all the tickers you want to analyze into one place so you can evaluate them consistently. Next, add the tickers you want to analyze. Type in their symbols, like AAPL or MSFT, and confirm you've selected the right listings. Adding multiple companies from the same industry can make comparisons more meaningful, but you can mix sectors if your goal is broader discovery. Keep the list manageable at first. You can always expand once you're comfortable with the layout. Now click Columns to customize what you see. This is where the analysis comes alive. Add price performance to understand how each stock has moved over different periods. This helps you spot momentum and see whether recent moves are part of a trend or just noise. Then add valuation metrics such as PE and EV/EBITDA. These give you a quick read on how the market is pricing each business relative to earnings or operating cash flow. Remember that a very low multiple can indicate potential value, but it can also reflect underlying risks, and negative earnings can distort simple ratios. Include growth rates to assess how fast revenue or earnings are expanding. Consistent growth across multiple timeframes often signals durable demand or strong execution. Add dividends to see yield and overall income potential. Dividend payers can support total returns, but yields should be considered alongside profitability and balance sheet strength. Finally, bring in financial ratios to round out quality and risk. Ratios related to margins, returns, and leverage can reveal operational efficiency and capital structure discipline, which matter just as much as headline growth. With your columns set, sort by a key metric to compare stocks side by side. For example, sort PE from low to high to quickly surface potentially cheaper names in your list. Click once to sort and scan across the row to cross-check growth, profitability, and dividends so you're not judging on one number alone. If something catches your eye, you can adjust the sort to another metric to view the same group from a different angle. That's it. With a clear watch list, thoughtful columns, and smart sorting, Koyfin turns raw data into actionable comparisons.